For homeowners in West Point, Utah, 84015, looking to elevate their bathroom space, EagleRidge Roofing and Construction stands out as the premier choice. Serving the West Point community, including zip codes 84015, 84069, and surrounding areas, we specialize in comprehensive bathroom remodeling services that enhance both home functionality and value. Our extensive services include everything from design and planning to final cleaning and debris removal. We offer a stunning array of bathroom product options and remodeling services, including tubs, showers, enclosures, sinks, toilets, mirrors, fixtures, lighting, cabinets, and tile. Our expertise also spans structural modifications, plumbing installation or relocation, electrical work, and lighting installation, ensuring your bathroom is both beautiful and efficient. We are committed to using quality materials and advanced techniques, focusing on current trends like minimalist design and sustainable materials to create a modern and practical living environment. Our approach emphasizes transparent communication and efficient project management, ensuring timely completion of your remodeling project. Whether you're interested in bathtub installation or replacement, shower door or enclosure installation, heated flooring, smart technology integration, or even luxury additions like saunas, steam rooms, or jacuzzis, we have the skills and experience to bring your vision to life. We also offer accessibility modifications and custom cabinetry, ensuring your bathroom meets your unique needs. For a free estimate and to discover more about your bathroom remodeling options in West Point, Utah, 84015, call EagleRidge Roofing and Construction at 801-784-1457. Transform your bathroom with our expert services and enjoy optimized space, improved storage, and energy-efficient fixtures that can reduce utility costs. Benefits of bathroom remodeling. Bathroom remodeling in West Point, Utah, offers homeowners numerous benefits that extend beyond aesthetics. It enhances functionality by optimizing space and improving storage solutions. Energy efficiency upgrades, such as low-flow fixtures, reduce utility bills. Remodeling also increases property value, making it a wise investment. Updated bathrooms can improve safety by addressing issues like slippery surfaces, ultimately creating a more comfortable and practical living environment. Why choose EagleRidge Roofing and Construction? Homeowners frequently seek out our team for their bathroom remodeling needs due to our outstanding reputation and commitment to quality. We specialize in delivering customized solutions with precision and excellence. Customers appreciate our transparent communication and efficient project management, ensuring timely completion. Our skilled professionals utilize top-quality materials and advanced techniques, resulting in durable and aesthetically pleasing bathroom transformations that meet client expectations. Popular design trends. In recent years, the bathroom design world has seen a surge in innovative trends that blend functionality with aesthetic appeal. Minimalist designs featuring sleek lines and neutral palettes have become popular, while sustainable materials are gaining traction for environmentally conscious homeowners.